Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Lite on an emulator. First, it is crucial to select the right Android emulator for your computer. A good emulator ensures smooth gameplay and a stable experience. Make sure your system has at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor for the best results. Popular options like GameLoop, BlueStacks, or Nox Player are excellent starting points, offering robust features and broad game compatibility. Choosing wisely sets the foundation for your gaming adventure. Once you have chosen your emulator, the next step is installation. Download the software from its official website to ensure you get a legitimate and safe version. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, you will need to log in with your Google account, just like on an Android phone. This step grants you access to the Google Play Store, where you can easily search for and install PUBG Mobile Lite onto your virtual device. To get the best experience, optimizing your emulator settings is key. Adjust the display resolution to 1092 by 1080 pixels for crisp visuals. Crucially, set up your key mapping to customize keyboard and mouse controls, making movement and actions feel natural. For optimal performance, allocate at least 2 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM within the emulator settings. These adjustments will significantly enhance your gameplay, providing a competitive edge. With everything set up, you are ready to launch PUBG Mobile Lite. Simply click on the game icon from your emulator's home screen to start playing. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the customized control scheme you meticulously configured, ensuring every action is second nature. Now, you can enjoy an enhanced gaming experience on a larger display, benefiting from the precision of keyboard and mouse controls. Get ready to drop in and secure that chicken dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.